Residents in the U.S. are attempting to dig out their automobiles following a fatal blizzard while flood warnings are being issued. Residents in the U.S. are attempting to dig out their automobiles following a fatal blizzard while flood warnings are being issued. The severe weather has claimed the lives of at least 65 people, with one area in particular emerging as the epicenter of an Arctic deep freeze. While flood warnings have been issued, storm-weary road employees and U.S. citizens are still working to dig out following a deadly snowfall. Since last week, the nation has been confronting a massive bomb cyclone that is the deadliest U.S. storm in at least 2 generations. As a result of the extreme weather, at least 65 people have perished, with Buffalo, New York State, emerging as the epicenter of an Arctic deep freeze. On Tuesday, authorities reported a 32% increase in storm-related fatalities in the counties of Erie and Niagara. While snowfall has begun to slow down, emergency personnel are still searching for and removing automobiles that have been buried beneath several foot-high drifts and snow mounds. According to Erie County Executive Mark Polakars, several of the dead were discovered frozen in cars or passed away during medical issues like cardiac arrest while shoveling snow. He pleaded with people not to drive in Buffalo unless they were members of the emergency services, saying that too many individuals have disregarded a current driving prohibition. In terms of deaths brought on by Mother Nature, this storm is the worst I've ever seen, he continued. The National Weather Service reported that up to 52 inches, 1.32 meters, of snow fell in and around Buffalo over the course of 4 days, and that a little more was anticipated by Tuesday night, NWS. To help control traffic and enforce road restrictions, the county has requested assistance from 100 military police from the State National Guard as well as cops from New York City. The NU is now predicting a quick thaw later this week accompanied with rain, which could bring flooding and challenging conditions, so the situation is not anticipated to improve anytime soon. It will soon begin to warm up. Thursday will see a high of 8 C. Saturday will bring 12 C. Bob Oravec, a meteorologist, stated. Roads are being cleared so that the melted snow can drain properly, and front-loader tractors have been brought in to shovel the snow onto dump trucks so that it can be dumped somewhere else. Every city roadway would need to be open for 1 lane for 2 days, according to Mr. Polakars. In addition to the roads being impacted, 4,500 customers still lacked electricity on Tuesday as a result of the storm, according to Mr. Polakars. Joe Biden, the president, has approved government funding to assist people still without electricity. Flights have also been hampered, with Dallas, Texas-based Southwest Airlines being forced to cancel more than 12,000 flights since Friday as a result of the unfavorable weather. According to tracking website FlightAware, it canceled more than 2/3 of its 4,000 scheduled flights on Tuesday, making up more than 90% of all airline cancellations in the U.S.